Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your LUCCA A53 direct plumb espresso machine. Step 1. Inspect the box and machine for damage. Remove the machine from its box and place it on a solid, level surface. We recommend holding on to all the packing materials and boxes. Inspect the machine for damage, and if you find any, contact us immediately. Step 2. Water quality and plumbing in your machine. Before introducing any water to your machine, it's important to test it to make sure it's adequately soft. Use the included water test strip to verify the softness of your water. Ideally, we're looking for a hardness around 50 parts per million. For more information on water, take a look at clivecoffee.com/water, which is also linked in the description of this video. To direct plumb the machine, start by fastening the braided line to the pump inlet on the bottom of the machine until it's hand tight. Then turn it a quarter turn with an adjustable wrench. Then flip open your water line and check for leaks at all the connection points. Step 3. Turning on the machine and filling your boilers. Plug in your machine. The LUCCA light will illuminate and the power light will begin to flash. Now press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to turn it on. With the power on, the machine will automatically begin heating. It's important to immediately press one of the machine's 2 shot buttons and allow it to run until water is coming from the group head. This will ensure that the brew boiler is filled with water. Failure to do so could result in damage to the brew boiler. You'll know the machine has come up to temperature and is ready to pull shots when the temperature display and boiler lights stop blinking. At this point, your machine is ready to pull your first shots. With coffee in your portafilter, lock it into the group head and press one of the machine's 2 shot buttons to begin pulling espresso. When you reach your desired shot volume or weight, press the same button again to stop. A few tips before we go. Both of the A53's shot buttons are programmable by volume, and programming in your desired output is easy. Once you've got your recipe dialed, prep a shot. Before you pull it, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to enter programming mode. You'll know you're in when you see the machine's power light start blinking. Then simply press one of the machine's shot buttons to begin pulling a shot. Press again when that shot reaches your desired volume. Now just press the power button again to save and exit the programming mode. From now on, when you use that shot button, it'll automatically stop once the volume of liquid has been dispensed. If you'd prefer to start and stop your shots manually, simply program one of the shot buttons for a volume of water you'd never normally reach when pulling a shot. Our techs program both buttons to dispense 4 ounces when they're bench testing the machine, and we find that works well for manual operation. If you ever need to reprogram a manual button, simply remove the portafilter and allow the water from the group head to run until it fills a cappuccino cup before stopping and saving that setting. From there, you can manually stop your shots by pressing the shot button at any point during extraction. Coffees with different roast levels taste best at different temperatures, with lighter roasts preferring higher temperatures and darker roasts preferring lower ones. The entire range is between about 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. To adjust brew temperature, we'll again enter programming mode by pressing and holding the power button for about 5 seconds. From here, pressing the hot water button will increase the temperature by 1 degree increments as indicated by the numbers backlit on the display. It'll then cycle back around to the lowest number once you've reached the highest setting. Once you've reached your desired temperature, simply press the power button to save and exit. The A53 is also capable of programmable pre-infusion. To turn it on and set the duration, we'll first enter programming mode again by holding down the power button for 5 seconds. Now we'll hold down the boiler button for 5 seconds, releasing once the power and boiler lights are blinking. To increase the duration of pre-infusion, press the boiler button. Each lit up number on the display corresponds to 1 second of pre-infusion. Pressing it again at 8 seconds will cause it to cycle back to 0. Now just press the power button to save and exit. From now on, the machine will automatically pre-infuse for that duration at the start of each shot. Lastly, to turn off the machine, simply press the power button. The LUCCA light will remain illuminated and the power light will continue flashing, but this simply indicates that the machine is plugged into the wall. For tips on how to pull great espresso, watch our Espresso Essentials video. For tips on steaming milk, watch our How to Steam Milk guide. For more coffee knowledge, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.